Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. 4 steps to success. First, decide what you want to do. Second, take action immediately. Third, fail and learn quickly. Fourth, try again over and over until you succeed. To succeed, you must first believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. Out of the mountain of despair, a stone of hope. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. You must tell yourself, no matter how hard it is or how hard it gets, I am going to make it. Keep your head up in failure and your head down in success. It's going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible. If it was not hard, everyone would do it. It's the hard that makes it great. Study hard, no matter if it seems impossible, no matter if it takes time, no matter if you have to up all night. Just remember that the feeling of success is the best thing in entire world. Stop doubting yourself, work hard and make it happen.